A modern construction site means hundreds of decisions every day about logistics, safety, scheduling, quality of work. Webpano gives the team a full three-dimensional view of the site. The team is planning the transport and installation of a heavy component. A custom crane file is loaded into the model, straight from disk. The crane is placed exactly where the operation is planned to take place. A full view of the site makes it easy to see right away whether the crane's position works and whether it clashes with any existing infrastructure. Switching to a top-down orthogonal view gives a precise layout of the whole site, the perfect setup for planning crane operations. A cylindrical markup is added to the scene, a tool that makes it possible to visualize exactly how far the machine's reach extends within the site. Every markup can be fully customized, renamed, resized, made more or less transparent. Crane reach, infrastructure, all in a single view. The decision is made before the machine ever arrives on site. A truck carrying a load is scheduled to pass beneath a structure. Webpano makes it possible to check whether it will actually fit before it's brought on site, with no need for equipment or crew on the ground. A measuring tool lets you get the exact width and height of the passage directly within the model. We can import a custom OBJ file of a loaded truck matching the dimensions of the one set to enter the site. The truck fits, confirmed before the vehicle ever drives in. With 360-degree panoramas, Webpano lets the team assess the space and plan the work right from their desk without ever leaving the office. The team is planning to install new equipment on an existing structure. Before anything gets ordered, the height needs to be checked. The measuring tool gives an exact vertical distance, right there in the 3D model, with no need to physically go on site. Based on that measurement, the right scaffolding configuration is pulled from the Webpano library and placed exactly where it's needed. To help estimate the available workspace, another 3D markup can be added, a worker model. A to-scale worker figure confirms the crew will have room to move and safe access to the work area. Every project ends with the same question. Does what's been built actually match the design? Checking this with traditional survey methods takes time, requires being on site, and is prone to error. Webpano lets you compare the design model against the real as-built state of the site, automatically, visually, and down to the millimeter. Once the distance layer is turned on, every deviation between the design and the as-built point cloud is instantly shown in color. The side panel lets you adjust the tolerance, with the view updating in real time. The Distance to Model tool lets you measure a deviation anywhere on the site with a single click. Every measurement is automatically logged in a list, along with its deviation value and a link to its location in the model. From that list, you can generate a report. What would take days with traditional survey methods takes minutes in Webpano. No scaffolding, no survey crew on site. Webpano. Your site under control.